Good afternoon, my awesome family and friends. I'm doing two things on this video. I am doing a reminder for the English High Tea for Saturday. Hope you are going to join in. I would love to have a nice turnout. These are just a few more things that I picked up for the high tea I didn't already find. So this is also a shopping haul on this video, and I just wanted it to share with you. Please don't forget the English High Tea on Saturday, 8 a.m. California time. We'd love to see a big turnout for it. So don't forget August 15th, 8 a.m. California time. Are these not some beautiful pieces that Grandma found to add to her collection she's already been working on for the last couple of months? Well, let's see what else Grandma has to say in the video. Good morning to everyone. We're doing another shopping haul from HomeGoods. I'm still trying to work on picking up enough pieces for my English high tea. As you can see, I have quite a few new pieces. I really don't know what I'm going to use or not use because it's so hard to find anything that matches and goes together. I realize with an English high tea, you can have lots of things that don't match. So it's not like I don't know that too. But I just want a really nice variety on my table, and since I own nothing, it has been a real trial and tribulation. I did find I could have got a pair of these cups, but I decided to get different colors because I know they don't all have to match. Now these are the same cups, so the style is exactly the same. As you see, there's a little flower inside the cup and each one of them. The color itself is different and the flower is different, but that's fine with me. And they do have the white. Now I may still try to go back. I did buy a couple white plates and I may even try to buy more. I don't know. It's been such a trial and tribulation trying to get this done. Then, as you see, we have these beautiful cups also. Now, for the cup and saucer, I paid $5. It's $4.99. It said they originally sold for $6. Let me turn this around so we can see better what I'm talking about. No, I take it back. It said it was originally $8, and I got them for $4.99. Might as well say $5. But that was for the pair. That wasn't for one piece. And this is the manufacturer, of course, made in China. Everything is made in China. Okay, I got some silverware from St. James. I got a set of 4. I would have liked to got another set of knives, and I would have loved to got the forks, but I gave up. Couldn't find really what I was looking for. I like these. They're simple, and they sort of have the finish of bamboo, and I sort of like that Asian look. And I thought, and the knives also, butter knives, are the same, so I figured I'll keep looking, and hopefully eventually I'll find the forks to go with this. I have 8 spoons, and I maybe would like to get 4 more butter knives, but really the butter knives is not a big deal if I can't, because I still got 4. And normally I don't do table settings for more than 2. So this is an upgrade for Grandma. I paid $6.99 for each one. So originally it said sold for $9. I don't know if that's true or not, but it doesn't really matter. I like the silverware, and if I never can find the forks, I guess I will survive it. Because mostly English teas are really finger food that you just pick up and eat. Most important thing was I needed spoons for each cup, and I know I'm not doing over 8 place settings, so I really feel like I got exactly what I needed on the spoons. Okay, then I got these beautiful plates here. I just picked these up and found them. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. We'll have to wait and see how everything looks when I start trying to put everything together. I really do love these plates. That's why I bought them. I may look for saucers and cups that are just plain colors to go with these. It said these were originally $6 and I got them for $3.99, and of course they're made in China too. They are very pretty, nice weight on them, and they look like very good quality. And I can use these also for salad plates on my regular dinnerware. So that's why I'm not overly concerned about the cost of these, because I can use these more than one way. Not just for high tea, I can use these for salad plates, on a white plate or a yellow plate or a blue or even a green. So I have a lot of colors in there that I can use for a lot of different tablescapes, so I thought they were still really a good buy. Now these, I should have bought more, but it's all I could find was a pair of them. These I really loved, and these were really reasonable. These were $2.99, normally $5, and they're made in China too. I'm getting to think everything I have picked up almost is all made in China. Anyway, there I got a pair of them, and the white can go with anything. And then I got this beautiful white serving tray, because I'm not quite sure, because I'm going to put a meal with my high tea. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to prepare everything, but this will look very nice on the table. As you see, it will look nice next to this is a 2-tier tray, and I already bought the beautiful white one. It's 3-tier. The reason why I bought this one, I just loved how it looked, and I thought I could use it for so many different tablescapes and table settings and all kinds of different things on and it's not too tall, it's only 2 tiers high. So I can also use it in my kitchen and put different decorations on it for that too. And the 2 little birds on top that are gold, and the little centerpiece with the leaves in the branch. I thought it was so pretty. I got it for $26. It normally sold for $30, and it was pretty expensive, but I happened to get it on sale for $26. Even $26 was a lot, but this is a real wood piece, and I really do like it. They only had the one, so I purchased it. The tray over here, I know it's hard to believe I actually got something that wasn't made in China. Look, can you believe it? I can't believe it either to see something was made someplace else. $7.99. This has a super, super good weight to it. So it's a beautiful piece. I really did love it. And I loved all the scallop edges on it, and it looks so pretty. And it really looks nice with these cups because they have sculpture too. Aren't they pretty? And this here is actually raised a little. So these cups, I really did like them. So for sure, I'm going to use these cups and saucers for my high tea. 100% for sure. Going to be using these white plates for sure, and I'm going to be using that beautiful white serving tray. These plates here are still optional. I do love them. The reason why I'm hesitating, it's not because I don't love them. They are beautiful. The quality is very nice on them, and I love the beautiful flowers, because you know Grandma loves gardening and loves flowers. It's just that I don't know if they go with any of the cups I have. So that's the only reason why I'm hesitating. And like I keep saying, the only reason why I bought them was because even if I don't use them for the high tea, I have so many tablescapes I can use them on in the future, and the quality is there, and they're beautiful. And of course, I love the flowers. So I just wanted you to see what I picked up this week over at HomeGoods. Now you know Grandma loves HomeGoods. They have a lot of beautiful pieces, and they're really reasonable on their pieces usually. I'm sorry to say, ever since this virus has come out, their inventory is super, super low, and it's so hard to find things I want, like sets. They're not the only store that's having a hard time with inventory. And most of this stuff is all coming from China, and I don't know. That is another issue also. I wish we had a few more American companies that actually made things that we could buy here. Even if I had to pay another $1 or $2, I think I'm willing to do it, to have it made in America, as long as there's good quality in it. That is my only question. I want quality. And these plates were really nice too. I don't know if you can see how nice they are. The weight on them is nice, not too heavy, and I love the finish that's all around the edge. So pretty, is it not pretty? And like I've already mentioned before, I love that tray. So I think I did pretty good. This took me, I can't remember, I think this is 3 different hauls. Because Grandma has a limited amount of money she can spend at any given time. She tries to spend, a little bit each week, and sometimes I will just keep things together until I get enough pieces, and then I will actually do a haul video. So I don't do a haul video every time I pick something up, because sometimes I may only spend $10, $15, and that really isn't even too much, except if it's at Dollar Tree. As you saw, my last haul was a Dollar Tree haul, and of course, I think I only spent $10 or $9, and I got a lot of items. Now, when it comes to home decor, you're not going to do that good. And because I really don't want to be around a lot of people, I haven't really been shopping or looking around. I could probably have found maybe more things I could have used for this high tea if it wasn't that I don't want to be around a lot of people. With the virus, it is pretty dangerous, so we do have to limit our shopping a lot. So anyway, I get in real quick, get out real quick, and then if I can't, I don't look around the store, I just go in and zoom in exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for things for high tea, so I looked at nothing else to go with it. But I just wanted to share what I picked up for the last 3 shopping trips. I'm very happy with everything I got. I will see you in the next video, my awesome followers. Don't forget, Grandma Sandy's channel is designed for adults interested in home decor, gardening, cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, shopping hauls, or anything else Grandma comes up with. See you in the next video. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome people. Thank you so much for coming and watching to the very end. Love you all so much. Take care.